What's up, YouTube? It's Gideon here, and today we are gonna cook for you. I've been doing this series for 3 episodes now, so that's impressive, and you guys seem to like it. All right, so today we are gonna make my famous mac and cheese. We make it like once a month or so, but like this is a really good recipe. You guys should really try this at home. So let me show you how to cook this right now. Alright guys, so right here we have about like 2 thick slices of cheese, and then we have a stick of butter right here. For my recipe, I like to use corkscrews, but you can use elbows as well. And then we'll also need some breadcrumbs, and then we'll need a big bowl, a mixing bowl. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start with boiling our water. We're gonna put it on high heat. Alright, and then this is something we recommend you guys do. Add we're about a tablespoon of salt to the boiling water, and you guys might be saying, ain't that too much? No, because we won't use salt for the rest of this recipe, so don't worry, this won't be too salty. So a tablespoon is about half of it, so let's add it. About there. Alright. Now, let's wait for that to heat up. And while we're at it, we're gonna turn this one on to medium. And then we're gonna add our butter in here. And then we're gonna let it melt. Thank you, camera woman. Alright guys, so after the majority of our butter is melted, we want to add our cheese. So just use our spoon. Oh, splash. Alright. Alright guys, so now that our cheese is melted, we're gonna put our egg in. Just like that. And then quickly stir it, break the yolk, stir it. You don't want this to become a scrambled egg. And then just keep on doing this. Because it can be a problem if it becomes scrambled eggs. You don't want that. Alright guys, so now that our water is boiled, we are going to put our pasta in, but before, let me just show you what the corkscrew looks like. See it? It's pretty much a big elbow. See? So let's put all those in. Alright, we want to put the whole box, and then just let that boil. Alright guys, so our pasta is done boiling. It took us about 10-15 minutes to boil. So now let's strain it. Alright guys, so this is our freshly boiled pasta, and now that that's done, we're gonna put our cheese sauce inside of the pasta. Then you want to put this on medium. Alright guys, so we got half a cup of warm milk, but the mug's super hot, so be careful guys. Just add that in, put this in the sink. Alright. Alright guys, now that our main cheese pasta is made, we're gonna put this on the side. And we're gonna pour this in. Alright guys. Alright guys, so this is our well-seasoned breadcrumbs, but in ours we like to add pepper, just for the bite. Okay. Alright, that's enough. Now let's add it. And then now let's put it in our mac and cheese. So you only need to put it on the top, right guys? So just little by little. Alright guys, now let's evenly distribute it. And now let's pop this bad boy in the oven. Alright guys, so now let's pop it in the oven. It doesn't matter which rack you put it on. We recommend the top. That right there, bake 350. And now we'll just let that cook for about 20-30 minutes, and then we'll come back to you once we're done. Alright guys, so this is our finished product with our mac and cheese. It turned out really good. You can see the edges, kind of crispy. So let's Alright guys, so here it is. So let's give this a try. Wow, this turned out better than I expected. Pretty good. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please show us your support in the comments below. But until next time, subscribe to Lovely Eden.